Back everyone, you may be trying to figure out how you can find birthdays in Snapchat. Now this process is very easy. It doesn't take too much time. The first thing you want to do, and this is the way I do it, is I will typically go and click on my name or whatever the icon is up there, and I will go under friends. So you can see my friends right here. What I will do is I will go ahead and click on my friends, and I will be able to see right here pretty much every single person's name. Now what I do at this point is I typically will just scroll past all these names until I start to see some icons on the right side. Now these icons can be, fire, flame, whatever those things are. They can be like emojis or whatever, but you want to find the ones that have those cake emojis on them. And this is typically the fastest way I typically do it. There may be another way, but typically what I will do is I will scroll through and I will find the people who have those birthday cakes right next to them. I will go ahead and click on their names like this, and you will immediately get straight into their little chat page right here. And all you have to do here is just type in happy birthday or whatever the case is. So that's typically it. As long as you have them on Snapchat, you should be able to go ahead and just text them straight from there. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit the subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.